Hi everyone, welcome back to Sunny Egg channel. Today we are going to show you how to draw frozen Elsa.
Let's get started!
Now we are going to start sketching Elsa. So now we just first start with a cross and then we're going to do the circle, the face shape. So outline the hair, the ear, and then we're going to outline Elsa's outfit at the same time. I'm using my illustration app, but what I want you to do is to grab a piece of paper, just get a pencil, and we do very light hand sketch. So in here we don't want any strong bold line, so just making sure that you're very light-handed while you are doing this sketching. And we outline the outfit. So here you see me change the opacity of the sketching that I just did. So basically I just did a very rough sketching to assist me for my drawing. And here we're drawing the eye. So I position it right in the middle of the horizontal line of our cross. And we position the eye closer to the edge of the face shape. So do the same on the left hand side, and then now we do two oval shapes for the iris of the eye. Then we're going to pick a light blue color. Sorry, I should have said color the pupil of the eye in black, and then we're going to do a light blue color for the iris, and also we do the light reflection in white color as well, and then we put a little dot for the nose and a little curve for the lip. If you're drawing on the paper, I recommend you to just finish all the sketching first. Then after that we use a Sharpie to outline the whole Elsa. Then you can start coloring after you outline the whole Elsa. And now you see me doing the eyeshadow for her, which is in a very pretty purple color. So I created a new layer and picked Grossier's blur to make the eyeshadow looks more natural. But when you are drawing on a piece of paper, after you draw the eyeshadow, you can use a rubber to gently press on top to do the fading effect. And now you see me drawing in black color and outlining the hairstyle, the face shape, and the outfit for Elsa. Follow along the sketching that we previously did, so that will help us draw a very nice, definite lines to give it a perfect finish. And we continue to outline the braid of her hairstyle. And now with the outfit, the beautiful dress, when you're drawing on a piece of paper, if there's any changes that you wanted to make, you should change it while you were doing a light-handed sketch before you do the bold outline using your Sharpie. And now we're going to give it some little patterns for her dress. and put more details for the dress and her cape as well. And now our Elsa sketching is finished. So now we can start coloring our beautiful Elsa. So I've picked this pretty yellowish ivory color for Elsa's hair. Then we apply a very pale pinkish skin color for Elsa. And I'll pick a nice light blue color for her dress. Then we color the waistband and we color the bottom of her dress in purple. And our beautiful Elsa is done. What do you think, guys? I hope you all enjoy this video. Visit our website sunnyeggcrafts.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next week. Done it!